Hello again, I am Geraldine Zamora, one of the teachers at the ESP program. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the apps that my students love and have been using this year. So I'll show you how you can create your own magazines, flyers, and reports, and so on for free using the platform called Flipsnack. Okay, so what is Flipsnack? Flipsnack is a cloud-based publishing tool that allows you to create and upload many different types of publications. Flipsnack provides the perfect environment for both teachers and students to bring their ideas to life. You can create your own catalogs, magazines, brochures, flyers, reports, lookbooks using the very inclusive editorial tool. You can also upload your own PDF file using the PDF converter, and you can download your work as a PDF, PNG, PEG, video, GIF, or even HTML5 flipbooks. Students can add interactive elements if they want, such as links, videos, or even shop buttons straight to their flipbook and publish it as public or private. All right, so now let's talk about price. Yes, this app is not for free. Students would need to, or teachers would need to pay the different plans that they may have. They have a starter plan, professional plan, and a business one. However, whenever I'm using this with my students, I ask them to try it for free. So there is an option in the top right corner that you can click on that, and you will have 1 month to create your own resources, or you can ask your students to create their project. So I guess that a month will be more than enough to work on a project. If they want to work on a different one, they will be able to do that, but only for a month. So they will be able to access to the different features, and everything is gonna be for free for that month. Okay, now tour time. I'll go ahead. I would like to give you a short review, quick review of how the website looks like and what is it that you can do this this website. So you just go ahead and go to your favorite browser. In my case, I will go to Google Chrome, and I will go and type Flipsnack, and I will just go ahead and click enter, and that's it. So this is the first website, www.flipsnack.com, and you just go ahead again. You can use it from directly from your browser, from your computer, and in here we can change the language. So as it says over here, you can create a stunning flipbook online. You can share embedded online, page flipped catalogs. You can transform your own PDF into online flipping books, which is a great and creative option for students if they want to present their products in a more nice and creative way. So as you can see, pretty much you can share the flipbook as well in any other social media, or again, you can copy and paste the sharing link, and you can ask your students to send it to you via email, or they can also post it on Maestro Virtual. They can add their own brand logo depending on the product and project that they might be working on. They can also track analytics and see the statistics. If for example, they're talking about business, what kind of strategy they can use to have an impact on their audience. That can be one idea. But this is also helpful for teachers if they want to see if their students are sharing their work, or if they are really reading what you assign to them. They can also work in teams if they want, which is something very useful whenever we working with EFL students, and they can decide if they put a password on it, if it is private or public. So pretty much they can create their own flipbook content. They can customize it. They will be able to publish and share. And if it goes popular again, they will be able to analyze those statistics. So here we have some examples. Again, we're gonna try it for free. So if they want, they are going to go ahead and click there. They can create an account, just add in their email address and password. In my case, I already have an email account, so I will choose the one that I'm using. So that's it. I just choose my accounts and I'm ready to log in. So this is how the system looks like. And here I have editing tools. And over here, I can see my profile. I can log out from here and I can see that I have a free account. There's not going to be any charge or anything. It's going to be for free. Also, students are not required, or teachers are not required to put a credit card or anything like that. Everything in this part is just very easy to use, and you just start creating your flipbook. So you can create it from scratch, and you can choose the type of size that you may want. So for example, A4 letter size, tabloid, flyer. So I like tabloid. So let's click on that, and the students can get creative in this part. They can add whatever they need. So they will go ahead and click over here to add a template. I don't know, maybe this is for a reading project or for an oral task. They will just go ahead and type the information, reading project by in their name, something like that, or a project, or anything that they would like to have in there, or the information that you may ask them to have in their cover, and the cover of their project. They can add a page clicking over here. So that's my page number 2, and here I'm ready to add my content or any other important information that I find useful. In here, students also have a way to edit the font or the size, the style, and many other options, spacing, things like those, so that they can edit and make it more beautiful, creative, attractive. They can add pictures over here. Here is asking me that the layout is going to change, just giving me an alert over there, but this is the size that I wanted. Then I'm going to add another page, and in here, I don't know, maybe I'm talking about my students. I'm asking them to have a biography about them, and they just go ahead and add that information if I want. Here we have extra features, like if I want to add a link, a hyperlink to a website or to a video that I want them to watch, or also if they want me to watch something, they can go ahead and just paste the video over here, or the link to a website that they saw that or they thought it was important. Text if they want to start from scratch. Also photos, as you can see, they are for free. All right, and they can also add videos. Most of them are for free as well. They can upload their own things, right, if they want. And the same over here. If they want in this one, then they would need to upgrade, but they have the other options over here that they may not need that. In here they have more options as well, but this is more like business, for people that may want to use this application for their own businesses. But again, this is something that we can keep it very simple with our students, and they may not need all this information. It's just very asking them to work with what the system or platforms gives, and it's a great opportunity for them to interact and to uh, go ahead and work with the different features that the system offers. So let's imagine I already finished my project. It was an oral task reading project, and I'm ready to. I can click preview. I can download it, and they can also share. So here I add a description, and that's it. I will go ahead and click publish. I made it public. I want everyone to see it. And this is the link, the shared link. I can copy and paste that, and I can ask my students to do the same thing and paste it on, copy and paste it on Mediación Virtual. And this is how it looks. So very, very simple. And that's it. This is a very nice way to present a project. And that will be pretty much. Again, if you want to share it on social media, or if they want to do that, they are free to do it as well. So now I'm going to show you, this is pretty much how the website looks like. It's very simple, very user-friendly. This is one of the examples. This student downloaded the PDF version, which is also fine. So he added a volume, the title. They had to create an article. So here they have a huge the title of the article that they created. We did it over here, added their names and the information that they wanted. They added a picture over here, a quote that it relates to what they were doing at the moment. That's it, pretty much, right? So in here, again, this is like the written part, but they can also go ahead and present this in class. And this is going to be their the material that is going to support their presentation. The same over here. We have this other one, and very nice. This one was about technology, and the students were sharing what they did and presenting, orally presenting their work. So there you go. Also, we have one over here as well. This one again was about technology, and this one is a little bit more simple, and everything is just one page. And over here I have one that one of my students, he sent the link, right? He didn't want to download the PDF probably, so he decided to share the link, which is also nice. And we have here the information that he created, right? So just two pages, very simple, what I asked for, and that was his project. So that's it, right? Very, very nice, very simple. Students can go ahead and get creative, and you can guide them through the process as well. So finally, if you have any question, comment, or recommendation, please just go ahead and let me know. You can contact me here, geraldine.zamora@ucr.ac.cr if you have any question, or if you want material, or I can also give you the links, and you can see the students' projects if you want, rubrics or guidelines and how to, so that you can start if you want implementing this project. I hope it was helpful, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around. Bye bye.